In this video, I will walk you through the steps on how to set up your machine for fax forwarding. Start by selecting the home screen and then scroll over until you see the settings icon. After you select settings, go ahead and select Machine Feature Settings. From here, select Fax Settings and then the Reception Settings tab. From here, select the Reception File Settings. As you see, fax forwarding is currently off, so we will open this option and select On. You can then select the receiver, whether it's an email address or a folder that will be receiving those forwarding faxes. I'm going to select Email and say OK. We can now see who the receiver will be for those faxes. Say OK here. Now you have the option to have those faxes print out in addition to being forwarded by either selecting On or Off. So select your option, go ahead and hit OK, and you can begin exiting back to the home screen. Your machine is now set up for fax forwarding.